I didn't know that the traffic would be chronic. Because the traffic is chronic, isn't it?
The queues and the traffic. It's bad.
And we're barely in Offaly. Oh God. This is fun. Kids are quiet for the first time since. Look at this lad.
Jeez, that was close.
Why is he that close to me? Must be a greenhorn driver.
All he can see.
I don't know.
All he can see is
I'm very glad I'm not on a lorry anymore, that's all I know. We were on the motorway, we were in fucking traffic on both lanes, and next thing there was a fucking big stone or a block of timber. Watch I'll show you, look. And I'd show you the front. Fucking bullet. Jesus, I am sickened. Sickened. Come on. We eventually got here. I just went for a little walk. Some spot place, look. The boat shed. So nice. Because I was manic depressive after the splitter in the car got broke. I was lucky it didn't go through the window, so I won't give out too much. Wait till you see this place. There's Crow Patrick. See it? Let's pick up this lunatic. Watch. Isn't this lovely? We had to block that because Jane is a climber. Is this where the magic will happen, Vic?
wow. Wow.
Wow. What's in here? Oh, another bedroom.
Yeah.
Isn't that nice? What? There's that would Crow Patrick. Don't be jumping around, Jane. Jane's like whoa. There's Clark. How are you?
I don't want them or them.
Well,
I don't want the TV.
what's in here? Bathroom. Jane, what do you think of that?
The one that was cooling.
Jane is some crack. Oh, didn't even know there was a toilet in here.
I didn't see this one either.
Just this place is fucking... Oh, look at that lad! That's mint. That's not. Jane, I'm so sad. They hit my car. My car! Oh, look, there's an Illuminati member. Probably pulled up there now. Gone in to get a packet of condoms real quick because they're getting some.
Pick me up.
So that's what's going on there. See? Found a nice Italian restaurant, and I have to say everything is brilliant except for the kids. If the kids weren't here, they'd be just perfect. Like her, she's Lily's grand. Clark, he wants wine. So we're all fed and watered now. Now we're going to go to Super Value, buy some drink for Daddy. And chaps made a show of us like they always do. What?
That's where we'll go tomorrow. Or tomorrow.
Why? Why
That
that?
was the actual restaurant I wanted to go to. But that was delicious.
There's money in Westport. Look, Lamborghini Jeep. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. His splitter is working as well. It's not broken. Thanks for all the messages saying Vicky would have avoided it.
Absolutely. I would have.
Really, on the motorway.
Yeah, I would have.
She nearly shit herself.
I know, I got an awful fright now, in fairness.
We thought it was going to go through the window. And like there was a lorry on one side, the concrete joke on the other.
Would that have fallen off?
Actually, don't you know it fell off some fucking daft lorry? Vicky's up from me. Look, tweeds and knitwear. For the person that wants to be itchy 24/7. Mocha bean. Alfie. It's awesome. It's awesome looking at all the pubs that we can't go into because we've hip kids. Vicky's after banging into me twice. She's walking on my heels. I'm the one pushing the pram. What's wrong with you? Is it the full bottle of wine you have to drink?
No.
Yeah, it is. Dental and implant clinic.
Why is there bikes hanging out with ceiling?
I think you can go in and you can get a filling and a huge big pair of teeth. There was many a night back in my younger days, Fido, many years ago, I was staggering around here trying not to get sick, looking for a taxi in the rain that I never got. It's not today or yesterday. Oh well. I think you can't go anywhere without wanting to have a good old pray. She'll start burning now in a minute. That is the perfect shop for the budding enthusiast peeping Tom. I mean bird watcher. Bird watcher. Sorry about that. I meant to say bird watcher. I didn't mean to say peeping Tom. That was a slip of the tongue. Do you know the only thing that is awkward about this place? This yoke. You. Why, is that where you're sleeping?
Yeah, 2 days.
You sleep there away.
I found out something. You know the way caffeine's a drug?
Yeah.
Does that mean people from Costa and like Insomnia and that are drug dealers?
If you use that logic, then yes, they are.
The more you know.
Just the kids there. She's lovely. Yeah. And we got Jane to bed. And we're watching Rush Hour. Clark, you going to bed now? Do you want to go to bed? It does. There's people wondering about this place. I'll put a link and contact details and notes. It's really savage. What is it? 10 minutes from town?
No, like 3 minutes.
Walking like?
Oh, to walk?
Yeah.
I wouldn't even imagine 10 minutes.
You'd walk down to town in less than 10 minutes. It's lovely. Really nice. Tired? You want to go to bed? Do you want me to take you? Hiya. Oh, what's wrong? Just Clark's all ready to go. We had a glorious sleep last night. Kids all slept well. A little bit worried about Clark on the top bunk bed because he's not used to it and he tends to wander at night time, but it was all good. I had a glorious shower this morning. I actually decided that's the shower I'm going to have in my house because it really peeled the skin off my back with the power. That's the kind of power I like. And yeah. And we're going to go off for the day now. Clark's all ready. He's stretching. Isn't he silly, isn't he? Oh yeah. And
I'm trying to get up these stairs.
all the questions people were asking. I actually don't know. Some were asking me was there washers and dryers here. Yeah, there is. There's washers and dryers here and stuff. And a back sink. So come on Jane. Can't take Vicky anywhere without her wanting to clean. Yeah, we're gonna head off now. We've got loads of suggestions, so we're gonna might go out to Lewisburg, might go out to Kilpatrick. Well, of course, we're not gonna climb it, it's too far. Anyway, we don't have to. We can see the church on the top of it. There it is now. Vicky wants to climb the whole lot of it. No, that's very unrealistic.
I didn't say the whole lot of it. I just said I'd like to go. There's a certain lip, and then apparently you can just turn around or whatever.
We're driving out the Lewisburg Road because we got hundreds of messages saying to go out there. Even though when I worked out here it was bleak, very bleak. But when you're on your holidays, it's not so much.
I know, it's lovely.
I think it's funny. You
And
can only see like a tiny bright light.
thank God the sun is shining today. I just can't get over the size of it. It's huge, isn't it? Look.
See the church up on top.
I'm trying to. Yeah, no, it's lovely.
You push your thumb up, Vic. No, your thumb you're holding.
Ah, lovely. You can see the little white dot on top.
Said we tip out to Clare Island. Clark wanted to get in. He wanted to get in there. Oh, the boys getting their work done. Don't know what they're doing, but getting it done anyway. The leprechauns are getting fair clever now. They're hiding their pots of gold under the sea. It's cheating, if you ask me. It's a serious amount of cheating. Lovely roads done around here. Especially when your splitter's already fecked. Vicky thought that she could actually bring Jane up some of that. It was the normal kind of wishful thinking that she has every so often. But then reality sets in. We're going to go get something to eat now. And then we'll maybe head out to Westport House. Clark, of course, forgot his coat.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Clark, are you cold? No. No? Vicky will probably end up buying him a coat now. Get a book. That's where you buy all your fishing stuff, you know, flasks. You get why you need that. Knives, you know, for maybe gutting the fish. Shoe polish, you know, you like to have shiny shoes while you're fishing. I even get the bag and the skin. Why? Why is there a gas mask? Why?
Look, she's actually being quiet for once. Haley, do you want to know the funny thing, Dad?
Good book, isn't it?
She can't even read.
A good book. No.
Can't read.
She's just so different from the rest of them. Now, Clark was a little bit wild when he was younger. Lily was an angel. But she is.
Because it's really
She's just so.
annoying.
I don't know what the word to use is. Clark forgot his coat. We had to go into Port West and buy him a rain jacket. Look. He's delayed with it. We went into a toy shop. Clark wanted to get something. Lily got a little number 8 ball, and instead of giving me change, you're going to give me a scratch card. He said it's better luck than change. Can't argue with it. Vicky sent me back to the car to get my mask. When you bring your mask, you know I need your mask. So, well, like, the house is closed, so I didn't think we needed then. Look, they're doing it up. Oh yeah, it would be my young lad running around like a fucking lunatic. Everyone else has been real normal.
Dad,
Yeah?
we need tickets to do anything.
Right, let's go get them. We're after doing so much walking, haven't we?
Yeah.
And this one is just after falling asleep. So we'll actually
I
get
got a DNA box.
maybe 40 minutes apiece.
Should Daddy give me a fiver? It is definitely so. Thanks, Dad. Give me the fiver.
Where's he? Where's Kyle?
I have no clue.
There he is. Look.
Oh, is this?
Clara.
They're playing Tig. Clark thinks he's so clever. As if she can't see him. No, you can understand that stupidity. He's only 6. Well, he's one of the main problems in the world. The stupid are always cocksure, and the intelligent are full of doubt.
I'm gonna get loads of things from Santa.
Shake it. Now let's see. Right, let's see. Come on. Oh, it said very doubtful.
What does that mean?
It means you're not getting loads of things from Santa, unfortunately.
I am.
Are you telling me you don't believe the 8 ball? Let's see. Let me ask something.
That ball can be smashed off the ground.
Am I gonna get a GT3 in a few years? It is decidedly so.
So you are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The wife returns. They're gone in to see if the pumpkins are carved. Yeah, she's asleep, yeah. Thank God. Vicky's back.
Yeah. It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Oh, it's nice, alright. Can't wait to go to the beach. That should be great fun.
Park's mad for the beach, so.
Don't let it in the sea!
Don't kick it, see.
I won't. Clark's afraid that I'm going to lose his ball, which is all possible.
Dad.
Vicky's in the car with the baby. It's actually a grand spot. Westport's cool. Everything's kind of there. Don't go too far. There's a good few people saying that I should drive out to Ackle. There's a good bit to do around here. Me and Vicky are going to come back sometime. We're going to go up Croagh Patrick because she never did it. Sorry, ran out of time. Yeah, Vicky never walked Croagh Patrick. I did. Then I do have 10 year on her. Get the ball off you?
Yeah.
No ball. You give it to me. Come on, take it off me. Take it off me. Take it off me. Take it off me. Ah, Clark. Ah, Clark. You're falling for the oldest trick in the book. Run!
Yeah.
Ha! You're useless! All is trick in the book! All is trick in the book! One thing I've learned in the last 5 minutes is don't mess with Mayo people. Because look at me, I'm dressed how I feel. I feel this cold. Look at this lad. Just going in for no dip. Swab out. Yeah, it's freezing cold. Fuck it.
Leaving the ball right here, right?
Why not? Just it. This is going to touch the ball sack now. Oh, yeah. Bottom of the ball sack, cold there now. Oh, yeah. He'll go all out this time now, look. Ready? No. Fair fuck's done. He is getting it done. He'll give a shite. Even Clark's amazed. He's there thinking, my daddy's not that cool. No, I am not. Plus that'd be ridiculous because I can't swim. That'd be just dangerous. Well, that was a busy day, wasn't it? You think now if you were going to wear my hoodie you'd not had it so wrinkly?
I hope not.
Really?
Huh? What'd you do? Vacuum pack it?
He's going to make a luggage case.
You know what? We came down here for a few days just to chill out from whatever. And we're actually going home now with, well, Vicky especially, with a million different things she wants to do. with the house we're building.
I need to.
Over here. It's a really, really nice place. Really nice house. How you doing? But yeah, Westport. Lovely spot. What you doing? You playing with Mammy's perfume? Give it to me. That might go down well. That's what Vicky's doing. What's she doing out there? Can I have that? Can I have it? Why aren't you in your pajamas?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, good girl. All gone. No.
Kids, are you looking forward to going home tomorrow?
We hit the evidence.
Are you looking forward to going home tomorrow, Clara?
No.
Do you like this house?
Yeah. Why don't we just build this a cafe? We have no choice.
What?
We have no choice.
No, you have no choice. You have to go home. Daddy and Mammy are the bosses, and plus we have jobs to go back to. Garrett and Greg are probably sitting in the wood now, and none of them can even bring themselves to do anything because I'm not there. As they're just devastated. I'd say there hasn't been a stick cut or got out since I left.
Yeah, I'm definitely not having a party.